MLB prop picks for Thursday, May 30th. I got 5 picks on deck for you. Will not lie, though. Yesterday was a disaster. Started off well. We finished 1-4 after a 4-1 day. So really, we're 50-50 in the last 10 picks. Not what we expect, though. We'll go back to the tool and let's find some winners. All right, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. Let you compare those prize pick lines to sportsbook odds and our projection model to help you find plus EV plays. Play number 1, Jameson Talon, less than 5 strikeouts today. Line between minus 133 and minus 150 on BetMGM. All the the DraftKings, Caesars, every line except BetMGM should be set at 4.5. I expect at some point this will go down to 4.5. We get some value, being that we get a push on 5. The tool right here shows you that Talon has only been over 5 strikeouts once this season. So he's only going to have chalked you once. Projection model has it at 4.41. I got odds, form, projection. The 3 things we look for from the DFS Army Proptimizer. Go put in Jameson Talon. We'll go less than 5 strikeouts, and that will be play number 1 for today. Back to the Proptimizer. Find an offensive play here, and I liked Luis Renifo, whose name all of a sudden don't know how to pronounce, slipped my mind, and being at 7 o'clock in the morning, I'm going to keep on rolling with it. He is either way red hot in terms he's been over in 5 straight games, the more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBI line. Also 8 of the last 10 games. Lined at minus 135 at BetMGM, minus 130 over at DraftKings, and our projection model has it at 2.09. Projecting him over. Form and odds, checking all the boxes. Renifo, whose name I need to be able to spell so I can find him here. The hits, runs, and RBI lines that we are looking at. Those are the first 2 plays. We're going to do 3 more, though, real quick, though. If you want access to the tool I just showed you, DFS Army props package, link down below. Your code Sniper20 gets you 20% off, or you get 2 free months if you go deposit on Prize Picks, Underdog, or Sleeper. All those sites, use the code Sniper, 100% deposit match up to $100, and 2 free months of the DFS Army props package. That being said, let's go back, and play number 3 is ready for us. It's Seiya Suzuki, also more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs, lined at minus 130. Projection model 2.24, only over 5 of the last 10 games. Has been over in 3 straight, though, starting to heat up. And I just realized that I don't think we're going to be able to make this play. No, we will be. Same game here. I was worried. I would also, I guess, honorable mention here. I like the Christian Yelich overs as well, but because Talon is the opposing pitcher, can't put them both on the same slip. So if you need another play, and you don't like Talon, take a look at the Christian Yelich overs. Suzuki we can play, though, with this really strong projection here. Been over in 3 straight and pretty good odds at minus 130. These odds really work for 5 and 6 picks. So we'll go ahead and we'll roll back to Prize Picks. And you see how easy this tool makes it. Seiya Suzuki, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Back to the board. Need play number 4 and 5. Play number 4, and you know what? I think we had one play get taken off the board, or I rolled past it. So we're going to have to do a little bit of looking here on the fly. But for now, let's do Ozzie Albies, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Minus 125 at BetMGM, minus 130 over on DraftKings. Really kind of a borderline play. This was the 5th play I found. So if you don't want to include it, you want to run a 2-man slip with the first 2, kind of list these in confidence order. Projection model 2.12, and he's been over 8 of the last 15 games. Head back on over to Prize Picks. Now we got to put in Albies, and we got to figure out what our 5th play is going to be. Ozzie Albies, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. I feel like I just straight up skipped somebody. We'll head back on over to the Proptimizer. I think a tab got closed. This is the Christian Yelich play I liked, but you can't play it with Jameson Talon on the same slip. We weren't looking at any pitcher overs. This is a new play on the board as the tool is updated live for the day. New to me, I should say, in terms of looking. That goes too far into last season. This is the start from last season. So we'll roll with the projection model here. We'll put out another push prop. We'll go Nick Pivetta, less than 6 strikeouts. Again, obviously I found this using the tool really quick on the fly here. This is a preseason start. This is his first start of the year. Less than 6 strikeouts is the play. A little more consistent here in terms of everything in the minus 140 range, kind of gearing towards a push here. 5.66 on the projection model would indicate that we got some value here. He has been under this. It would look like 3 of his 6 starts so far this season. Like I said, the first one is definitely a preseason start. Taking on the Tigers, who jump over real quick on a different tab. Middle of the road matchup in terms of amount of strikeouts so far. So again, this would probably be the least confident play. We'll kind of break down some tiers here. Let's go find Nick Pivetta, less than 6 strikeouts. So I'm going to run a full 5-man. If we're going to run just a 2-man, it would be Talon and Renifo. And the 5-man, let's do a recap for it. Do me a favor, hit that like button. The recap is Jamison Talon, less than 5 strikeouts. Luis Renifo, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Seiya Suzuki, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. Ozzie Albies, more than 1.5 hits, runs, and RBIs. And Nick Pivetta, less than 6 strikeouts. We locked that in. That is our play for today. 5-5 the last 10 picks. Got to get back on the right side of 500 at the very least. Hopefully we cash the full 10x. More picks and plays. Tons of stuff going on in the Discord. All sports in there. I'm going to take a look at the French Open today. Now that we got a little bit more data on Clay and how they're playing in Paris. But really, the sportsbook plays, prize picks, underdog, sleeper. Go check it out. Tracker on the site, up plenty of units. I'll pull that up a different day. But for now, here's your daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I'll see you next time.